Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase user retention with Spotify, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your target audience. Identify the demographics of your users. Research their music preferences and listening habits. Utilize Spotify's built-in analytics tools to gather data. Create personalized playlists based on user preferences. Incorporate user-generated playlists to enhance engagement. Utilize Spotify's algorithm to recommend songs tailored to individual users. Regularly update playlists to keep content fresh and engaging. Encourage users to share their playlists on social media. Host virtual events or live sessions with artists on Spotify. Engage with your audience through Spotify's Canvas feature. Use eye-catching visuals to complement the music experience. Implement push notifications for new releases or playlist updates. Offer exclusive content or early access to certain tracks. Collaborate with popular artists for exclusive releases. Gather feedback from users on their listening experiences. Adjust your strategies based on user feedback. Create a community around your content through social media. Foster a sense of belonging among your listeners. Monitor user engagement to identify trends and patterns. Stay updated on changes in Spotify's features and algorithms. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates best. Focus on providing a consistent and high-quality listening experience. Track user retention rates to measure the effectiveness of your strategies. Analyze data regularly to refine your approach. Continue learning about audience preferences and trends. Be patient, as improving user retention takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.